Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Lapidary, and I'm going to show you a little bit about our agate specimen saw. It's our little 10-12 inch saw, and what makes it different from other 10-12 inch slabbing or trim slabbing kind of saws. The first thing is, if you look at the saw, the rails are a square rail, and we use roller bearings. So this carriage is a machined 6061 aluminum, which is a very strong material and allows us to make a pretty precise part. So this whole carriage is a full roller bearing carriage with roller bearings underneath the carriage as well. And those can be easily adjusted using the two carriage retainers underneath. And it gives you a real nice, smooth, very precise action where you can get a very, very clean cut when you're slicing agate. Now what we did as well is we made the whole crossfeed assembly out of 6061 aluminum, and it bolts down into the top of the carriage so we can assemble those separately. I'm going to show you a little bit how to adjust that. So because you know, as you're using a saw, the crossfeed bushings will wear over time, and with a little bit of adjustment you can get all the backlash out and continue to get a very precise cut. The other thing about this saw is, unlike any of the other 10-inch saws out there, or 12-inch saws out there, hell, a lot of the 14-inch saws too, our arbor assembly is also made out of 6061 aluminum, and we put a couple of precision sealed bearings in this, and then the whole arbor assembly we set on an arbor plate, and we have these adjusting screws here that allow us to align this arbor to get the blade perfectly parallel with the travel of the carriage. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to adjust this this crossfeed. I've got two nuts, and I've got a little slot in the top of this vice base that allows me to get in and snug these nuts and adjust them. And what I typically do is get a light snug, see how I like the feel, and then I can come back and I can turn the handle a little bit and actually snug up my feel until I get myself. I like a little drag on it, because then that handle won't move on me erroneously while I'm in the middle of a cut. And then I snug those two nuts and I see how my crossfeed feels, and that's actually a pretty nice feel. What's nice is, at any point in time, if your crossfeed on this saw, you know, you use it for a couple years and the crossfeed starts getting a little loose, you come back, you readjust those. It's only 2 bolts to take the vise assembly right off the top of this. That's it.